Hello, hello, hello. Boom! Hello, my friends. How you doing? Sorry for the late start today. Everything's going down. Can I? Oh, I can rotate this. Wow. I have to readjust this before it falls down. Anyways, let me find the chat real quick. 1 second. Where's the chat? Chat. There we have the chat. Okay, cool. All right. So I hope you have a good weekend. Everything is a little bit slow today for my starting of the live stream because I had to deal with some issues helping a friend, and then my Facebook group got like disabled with 400,000 members. I think 412,000 members, something like that, because it was like like spam posted on the group. We try to remove the spam, but yeah, I hope the group gets back and we can do something else. And then I have to find a backup. Like I have to find another page that cannot be banned by Facebook or anyone where people can meet. Not sure where we can do that. Hi, Doe. Hi, Carlos. Thanks for joining. Yeah, so that's what's happening right now. Sorry for that. Where's my... 1 second. Okay, no. Nothing is working today. Oh, there we go. Okay, let me get a little bit less oily. Maybe switch over the chat. Let me put the chat over here on the side and then switch over to here because I want to talk about Runway and Krea. I haven't tested out these functions yet, to be honest. So if you have, you can give me some feedback if you want to, or some ideas. We can play with that today. I just put some powder on my head so I don't look like a oil ball. There we go. Let's see. 1 second. Oh God. Okay. Wah. That should be good enough. Okay, less shiny. That's good. All right. So, have you tried out any of that? Runway has the Gen 4 image and video where you can use reference images that we probably have to create first. And then Krea has this like the context thing here where you can edit images based on a context. So we have to check that out. How that works, what that is. Apparently you can change the hair color, but you probably can also do more. Change hair to pink. Boom, there is pink. Okay, so we can try that. I guess we can start here right away. by just, for example, saying, yeah, let's go like that. Let's try the same thing. Woman with blonde hair. Boom, there we have it. Okay, and then I guess we go here. Upload. Oh no, not upload. Select from asset. Let's take this image here. Okay. Oh, she's a little kind of like a nose ring a little bit. Change the hair to pink. Let's just try the same thing and see how that works and how fast that is. And we can also try out the video thing. It doesn't seem to be overly fast, not as fast as the image generation. I feel like Krea has the fastest flux image generation on any kind of platform as far as I know. Unless you know something that is faster. This one here right now is not fast at all. Oh, there we go. Yeah, it's not bad. So this is the before image. This is the after image. Do we get two? Oh yeah, we do get two. Oh, I like the second one more because it has like more shadow. The first one is a little bit blown out here, but is the original blown out? No, the original has some more like shadow in here and darker hair. So this one is kind of better. It kind of like the brown here is still looking through. So as far as colored hair goes, it's not perfectly colored. Also, there is some brown stuff here. This one is probably better also because the hair here is like blonde, but not pink down to the root. So it's not like super perfect. VO3 is now available in Europe as of today. I haven't tried out, but it's super expensive, right? Is there any page where you can use it and it's not as expensive, or you use it like paying per on-demand payment? I guess there have to be some pages who include VO3 because I haven't tried it. I've seen like really cool videos. Do they have VO3 here? Maybe FreePic has VO3. I don't know. Let me see. Krea. They have video, but do they have VO3? No. They have Kling, Van 2.1. Kling 2.1, VO2. They don't have VO3 yet, so probably coming soon, right? It's half off the first 3 months. Yeah, but still $150, right? That's a lot of money. $150 just for a little bit of AI video. Is it unlimited for $150, or is it like you get 3 videos per day for $150? How is that? Kling 2.1. Yeah, it's pretty cool. 2.1. What else should we do here? Let's do something else. Let's try the classic sunglasses. Or just glasses? Give her some, let's say, golden rim glasses. Is glasses with... glasses? Is that with 2L? Yes, apparently. Okay, cool. So let's try that. I'm kind of surprised that this kind of thing is like slow with flux context max. Oh, it's max. So maybe that's why it's so slow. It would be cool if there would be like a flux Schnell version of that. It's like free. You get free videos per day? I didn't even know that. 5 free videos per day and then 10,000 credits for Flow, 100 videos per VO3. So 100 videos for $150 means you pay $1.50 per video. Isn't that kind of expensive? Access image in 4. 81 videos a month with the Ultra. 125. I thought it's 145 per month. Oh, there we have the glasses. It's okay. It's not like super believable. Oh, we can't even zoom in. Oh, the quality is kind of shit. Quality is kind of like low res, but maybe is the original image also low res? No, the original image is better. Do you see that? Like when you look at the face, this is kind of okay. A little bit like blurry, but not bad. Kind of nice details. And then you have this, and it's like, you see how pixelated and degraded it is? It also looks like it's way less resolution. How about this? Yeah, still better. Let me download this real quick. This is an edit. This is the other edit. So I guess you can't do too many edits in a row because kind of like I feel like the quality is getting worse every time. So this has a resolution of 1392 by 725, and this has a resolution of the same resolution. Okay. And what is the original resolution? Let's download this also. The original resolution is the same. Wow. The original resolution is actually a little bit lower. Interesting. No, not lower, just a different ratio. So the original is 1376 by 768, and the new resolution is 1392, which is a bit more, but times 752, which is a little bit less. So the ratio is slightly changed. But you can see here like, it's blurry, but it's okay. And here it's very pixelated. Like it looks like it's very hard compressed. Not great. Strange, right? What's the best option to make some videos using MU on PC? What is MU? What do you mean by MU? I don't want to use websites. I prefer automatic 1111 interface. It's now for me, really. I haven't done video with automatic 1111, to be honest. Like ComfyUI, when you download the ComfyUI, you get some like pre-made workflows for video. You can start with that and get some pretty cool results. And it also, these pre-made workflows that come from ComfyUI themselves, they download the models for you. So that can be a big help to get started. Automatic 11, I don't know. I don't think they're getting like updates anymore because it's kind of like outdated. Suggest what you want to do here with the editing. I'm kind of surprised that the quality seems to degrade with every additional render. Which, I mean, even the hair, when you look at that, is it better here or is it same? Let me download this real quick. Oh, we have that already. Okay, cool. Then we're gonna open this here. Let me open this real quick. No. Open. Let's take these two. And then let's copy this into here. Oh, is there even a color change? Oh, her position is changing in the image also. Oh, it's also different woman. Oh, okay. Wait, let me see the original. Aha. So here you can see it's a little bit wider and a little bit like different. A little bit different resolution. Okay, so let's check this out. This is fairly close, but a little bit different from the face. Mostly the color is different. And then here the face is significantly different, right? Wait, let me overlap this real quick. Oh, sorry, you have it, the software is a little bit too wide for you. 1 second, let me put this here. Come on, there we go. All right, let me put that there. Is that's okay, right? Yes. All right, let me put it nose on nose. There's the nose. All right. So it considerably changed the position. Ah, but the face is the same. It's a little bit wider, but mostly the same. But different colors, less color for some reason. I feel like with every iteration, we can also adjust this. 1 second. For some reason, the position is always changing with every iteration. Okay, let's bring this. Oh no, I moved the wrong one, I think. Wait. Yeah, I moved the wrong one. Fuck. 1 second. Push this. Why does this not work? Oh, because it's locked. Okay, sorry. 1 second. I'm gonna look at the chat in 1 second. So this is basically identical from the face. Face is the same, hair is changing, even the hair details are the same, but the quality seems to be degrading a little bit. You see, like when you look here at the noise, this detail here, oh, it's probably hard to see, but you see how it has a little bit more, the noise part here gets more intense. You see that? This part here is getting more pronounced. And this part here also is getting more fuzzy with the new iteration. And then with the third iteration, this is just like a messy blob. And also the other parts like have more like problems. So that's pretty interesting. Okay. And like I said, the face is like getting wider for some reason. And greenish also. So interesting. Okay. Those flux small squares. Struggle what? You get 10,000 credits. You get 10,000 VO credits for £19 a month. But that's VO2, right? That's not VO3 with the £20 month thing, right? Unless I'm wrong. Big glasses, yeah. But they are in fashion, so that's not so problem. She gets older, really? I feel like the wrinkle situation is the same. You see, like these wrinkles here and these wrinkles here, they are the same. It's just like a little bit stretched to the side. I guess, let me adjust this real quick. When I make a marker here in the middle on the nose. Whoops, that was not what I wanted to do. Let's put the marker here. Or let's put it down here on the teeth. There we go. And then let me make this like so. And then bring this in a little bit, like so. That's okay. All right. Let me turn this off. And now, yeah. And now it's basically the same face. So I don't really see that she's getting older. The wrinkles are the same. This face is the same. It's for some reason it's getting stretched a little bit. But the rest is pretty consistent. Other than the colors, which is not great because the hair colors are vibrant, but the face colors are not vibrant. So I can try here with the warmth adjustment. Where do I have that? Recolor, blah, blah, blah. Vibrance. White balance. There we go. But then the teeth get a different color, so not ideal. Well, yeah, probably can get it there with a little bit of editing, but it should be staying the same. Anyways, it's VO3 with audio now. In the Pro tier, only use 1,000 credits for 10 generations a month. I meant. Only 1,000 credits, 10 generations per month. Need a lot of rolls. Oh, yeah, right. Okay. And this is in Gemini or this is somewhere else? Let me know if you want to do more here with this. Like other images, other things you want to change. One thing I want to change right now, or like try right now. Let's have here man standing in a landscape. That was the wrong ratio, sorry. Let's try this again. Okay. Let's go here. Make a new session. Let's take this guy here. Replace the background with a city. Let's see what we get. Is Vio the best video? I think, like, from what I've seen, the results and how consistent they are, it seems to be the best right now. But probably like for a month and then something else comes along, right? I mean, Kling is still also very, very good, so yeah. Okay, but in the meantime, we can also have a look at this one here and see what we can do here. Gen 4, image and video. You have to like create some images here, which you can do with the image generation, and then you can probably create video from that. With references. Use 1 to 3 character or location image to build your scene. What should we say? Old man in a orange hoodie, gray hair, red glasses, just so we see if it's the same person. Let's generate that. Does it do that? Generate. There we go. Okay, let's have a look at that. Camera moves in the lip sync in ComfyUI. Best solution. Oh, I don't know. I do know. Recently I made a video about these motion LoRa's. There is, I think, 50 different motion LoRa's. Not all of them are about camera movement, but a lot of them are about camera movement, and so you can try it for that. It's not super specific. It's like doing whatever the motion LoRa is doing. So you can't like, I don't think there's like a huge amount of control over what it's doing. Oh, there we go. From all kinds of ethnicities other than white. There we go. So you probably have to specify that, but that's okay. No problem. This guy looks pretty, how would you say? Special? Iconic? I don't know how you say it. Like, distinct is probably the best word. Where do I find that now? I don't like their folder structure. It's like the most confusing thing ever. I think here it is. There we go. Okay. Well, now we have that. And now what do we do? Okay. Standing in... Oh, no, wait. Red glasses, sorry. Sitting in a raft on a river. On a wild river. Or maybe sitting in a boat on a lake fishing. Okay, let's see if we can get that. With the same guy. You can drag it. Oh, that's good to know. And lip sync, I'm pretty sure when you go into ComfUI, like I can actually open it. When you go into ComfUI, they have this kind of like lip sync demo workflow that you can open up with the new interface from ComfUI, not the old one. Because the old one doesn't give you, like, show you the sample workflows as far as I know. But the new one does. And you can switch it in the settings. Just, I think the setting is not new or old. The setting, I think, is where the UI elements are or something like that. Oh god, the loading is like a million things. Is it? Did it do something? Ah, there we go. Hey, it's actually the same guy. Look at that. I mean, the fishing rod is kind of like small on the child size. Not the best one for fishing, but it's the same dude, so that's not too bad. That's okay. This one is kind of also cool. Again, the fishing rod isn't so good. But maybe we change that on a boat holding a fish. Maybe that's better. Let's try that. Let's see if ComfUI has... oh no, what do you want? Install on Next Launch. Yes, Next Launch. Don't want to do it right now. So, show me. Come on, open up. There we go. So you go here to workflows up here and then to browse templates, and then you have here video, and there should be something for lip sync. Not 100% sure about that, or not. Maybe I was wrong. I mean, if not here, you can also find like a online workflow for that. There's other stuff here, inpainting, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, I have to look into that. Portrait notes. I don't think it's too complex. You've certainly find either a workflow or a video on how to build a workflow that does lip sync. I'm kind of surprised they don't have one in here, to be honest. They have inpainting, they have ControlNet, but not lip sync for some reason. Interesting. Yeah. To the new ComfUI interface, it always reverts to the old one. Did you install the EXE version on the desktop version, the new one? Maybe then it works better. Okay, but let's close this for now. Where's the fish? Oh, there we go. Oh, he still has the rod. Okay, interesting. I don't know why that is there, so that's not 100% ideal. Well, it's a good start. It's the same guy, so that's pretty cool. I guess I could probably use a photo of me and then have the same kind of effect. This doesn't... No, it has a rod in the background for some reason. Does it say something in my prompt about that rod? Holding a fish. Okay, and then we make the next scene and say sitting on a table eating a fish. We could probably also have the fish as a second image and then like get the exact same fish or a similar fish, you know. But for local use, the Flux One context, hopefully. Yeah. Latent sync wrapper. For the lip sync, is that it? Latent sync wrapper? Oh, okay. For lip sync. Oh, there we go. Hey, Triple Head Monkey. Thanks for joining. Nice to see you. There we go. Oh, yeah, okay. He's actually eating the fish. That's pretty cool. Okay. It's very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, no. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's good. Okay. Too much fingers. How many here? 4 and another 4, and there is some stuff going on there, so that's not ideal. I mean, the way he eats the fish is not like you should do it, as you know. Like half with the fingers. What the hell is going on here? 4 fingers and a thumb. There's a little bit of a thumb sticking out here. So yeah, he's not the most cultured eater of fish with the finger picking, but well, I think we can overlook that. But let's give a shot here for the video side of things. It's kind of, oh, I can drag it, right? Let me drag this here. There we go. That's way better. Oh, the one thing I don't like here is that when you drag it from here and it's actually a runway image, they don't like automatically like load the prompt you have. That would be way more useful, but it's not part of this for some reason. 10 seconds, Gen 4 Turbo, I guess. Let's go. Yeah, let's see. Turbo should be very fast though. I find the menus and the options in the new interface less intuitive than the old ones. Yeah, I don't like the new interface myself either that much, but I think it's like, it's just part of like getting used to it, probably. I think sometimes some of it uses too much space. And then also another thing I don't like is in the desktop version, you don't have, you don't see the command window where it shows you the render process and the time and stuff like that. That kind of information I really liked, because then I have a better control and I can like compare the processes scrolling up and down on what kind of thing, like the step count, the model, the LoRa, whatever, took how long to use. And the desktop version, I don't think it has that. So that's a little bit disappointing that we don't have this. Or I think you can like open up a log, to be honest. Yeah, maybe that. Okay, so here we have the fish eating guy. Oh. Oh, and he he eats it and makes a second fork. And the first fork is like super long. Okay, so that didn't work. All right. Well, it's not cling, but it's good. It's a good start, maybe. Eating is difficult, so maybe I used a difficult task to begin with. The rendering is fast though, so that's pretty cool. And also, don't forget, with the unlimited plan, you get unlimited like video renders, which is like a, I don't know. It's a pro. It's a good thing, but backing up a kind of not so good thing. So you get unlimited videos and images, but for the price of the videos often not being that good, not being that consistent. Like here again, like the fork is way too long, and not sure how we could ever fix that. And I don't even know why it does that. But I mean, eating is difficult. I'm happy that's the same guy. The other motion is pretty nice. So it's good, but you can't use it at the same time. It's just like good for curiosity purposes. Yeah. Maybe eating a burger would have been better, but let me go back here and search for the other image here. 1 second. There we have the guy. Which one should we use? Maybe this one. Sitting. Sitting about fishing. Let's try that. And its drag and drop actually makes it easy. If you know that works, that's pretty cool. Maybe the 2 pictures and make fish move in his hand. Boat moving a little bit. You mean like, I forgot that we had the video where he's holding the fish in the boat. You are right. Let's use this one. Sitting in a boat. Holding a fish. The fish is flapping. Is that what is moving? Is flapping? Let's try flapping first and see what we get. I mean, the good thing here is like, because if you have the unlimited plan, you can just like hit this generate button as often as the queue allows it. There we have the fishing scene. I mean, he's turning the thing. The rod is still a little bit strange, but here it's actually becoming a better rod, even though it's very thin. Again, not like super usable. He's talking for some reason. I guess because they use like a lot of film scenes and stuff like that where the characters are always talking. And this is why they're also talking here. And as far as I know, Runway also has lip sync. And then you can also use that, which maybe the talking of that he's talking already makes it like easier to put some lip sync in here, because then you have also the chin moving and stuff like that. Let's have a look at this one here. And suggest scenes you want to see here, right? He's talking to the fish, yeah. Totally. This is kind of like the caveat with AI is it's cool, it's interesting, but most of the time you just can't use it. And that's like, at the moment, I think if you want to actually do something with AI, either you have to be like actively working with the limitations of AI and playing with them. For example, having a figure made out of fire that is dancing, because fire doesn't have a form, and so you don't see the errors. Or you are good at fixing it afterwards, right? So maybe you film the scenes you need, like you film the hands extra and then put it into that. Or you put something in front of it, or you're good with like 3D software. You can put an actual rod in the position with the correct lighting and stuff like that. And then also put some light effects over it to make it like look better and stuff like that. With like editing the video in post and putting some effects and color adjustment stuff like that, you can make the video look way better, right? Also, like here you can see there's some fog in the background, so maybe also have some fog in the foreground a little bit. And then by building these layers and stuff, you get like better results. They look more believable, but you have to like really invest more time to get good results. Oh, the fish is also talking. Now the fish is talking and not him. He's disappointed. And the fish is also very dripping. There you go. The fish has drip, so you know it right away. Does the unlimited plan on Runway include image generation too? As far as I know, yes. I think it does. Oh, you have the Explore mode. Your generate won't use credits, but take longer for fast generation and to run more at the same time. The unlimited is expensive though. Runway cost tiers pricing. There we have it. So the unlimited is holy schmoly. It's 76 per month. However, if you compare that to VO3, it's cheap, but the VO3 is better from the quality. So with that, you get like these 2,250 credits for like fast generation, and then unlimited for the slower generation, which you have seen is like still pretty fast. And you have unlimited exploration generations for Gen 4 Turbo, Gen 4 Image and Video, Gen 3 Alpha, Turbo, Gen 3 Alpha, and Act 1 in Explore mode at the relaxed rate. All of that is unlimited, which if you use it professionally, if you manage to make some money out of that, you can get that money back. That's actually like very little for professional use. If you use it privately, it's a bit. It's not nothing. You know, you have to have that kind of like, how do you say, deployable money? No, what's the term? You have Money to burn. You have money to burn. That's it. I don't know what the term is. You have what is that? What is the thing they always say about gamers? If you have I don't know what the word is. There we have it. Oh, it's already dripping in the image. That's why it's dripping so much. And it's breathing. Ugh, it looks kind of creepy. Disposable income. There we go. Disposable income. Yes. Uh-huh. There we go. That's it. Yeah. Thank you very much. So let me know what you want to try. Like, suggest some scenes, some ideas, some stuff. We can create like a short film here together if you want to. Like, just explore this a little bit. I can also like upload Krea images, although there we have a problem with the character consistency probably. But we can also try that. I can also use an image of myself, so we can experiment with this, right? And just see where we can go with that. Let me actually go to the big view real quick to see if I can find an image of myself. I have some pretty cool AI generated images of myself that we could use that actually like look like more real, at least at the time when I generated them, than actual like photos of me, which is kind of strange. 1 second, let me see. Man, I have so much downloaded. Oh, this guy. But I have the Quest 3 on my head, which I have to say, like, the Quest 3, I love it, and I almost never use it. It's just like way more convenient to just sit on a screen and play a video game. But oh, there's an image of me. I kind of like, do you think I could be an actor? Like, look at this face here and tell me. 1 second, let me make this bigger. I think I could be like in Breaking Bad or something like that. Like, look at my face. I always look like I'm have done something bad, right? Couldn't that be like a guy who is up to no good? I have this like resting bitch face. No, but you know, when I have no face expression, I always look like something bad is about to happen, right? I don't know. Oh man, let me put this over here, and then let's see what we can do with that. Let's try me in an image. Bald man with a beard. Oh, standing in a Thai market. Oh man, I wish. I want to get back there. There we go. Let's try that. Serial killer face. There we go. The gangster face. Right. Yeah. That's my next career. I always wanted to like be acting. I never tried it though. Only in school on the stage a little bit, but never. I never tried it. I think I'm not too bad at it. Maybe, although probably completely overestimating me right now because I've never tried it. So, yeah. I don't know. Let's see. Oh, look at this. Look at this good looking fella here. And I have to have this thing here removed, this like brown spot. Have to get that checked out. The shirt is not so nice, but the rest is pretty cool. Very nice. There we go. Oh, perfect. Look at that. Okay, a little bit too fat. I need to have some more veggies like here in the background. The face is good though. Oh man. That's pretty cool. Okay, there we go. And this is the gangster face here. Where's my pad thai? I've waited for half an hour. What is going on with the shirt though? I think I need to put Hawaii shirt in the prompt or something like that. Okay. Let's wait a second. Beard, wearing a Hawaii shirt, dancing at a Thai beach. Okay, let's see. I hope I'm wearing pants of some kind. This is like this is like the hello ladies look. Hey, what's up? I look like a lost dog in this image here. Oh man. Okay. Pretty good. But this one is pretty cool here. That one's pretty nice. I like long beards. I don't know. Like the women always tell me no long beard, but personally I like it with the long. It looks good. Long beard. I once had like a really long beard, like down here, which looked pretty good. But the ladies always are no beard. Oh, there we go. Party boy. Oh, that's me. That's me. There we go. Pretty cool. With Hawaii pants too. Okay, very nice. There we go. Oh, it's actually a Thai beach. Look at that. It's actually hitting very well here. Yeah, baby. It's party time in Thailand. There we go. Party time. All right. It's time for a dance movie here. 1 second. Oh man, we need the prompt again. Why? Why don't they like copy it over? I want to see what this gives us. Let's do this twice. And this is also pretty nice here. It's like getting off the boat. But my face is a little bit too compressed here. I mean, it tries the perspective angle, but I don't know. And my head looks too round in this one. There we go. Party boy. And if you have any scenes you want to see, then in a Hawaii shirt, looking like a scruffy gangster at the harbor docks, cinematic light. Let's see. My movie career. There we go. All right. So this twice. Oh, there we have the videos. Let's see. We need some. Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Perfect. That's a perfect advertisement. I'm gonna do like a AI beach camp in Thailand. I actually planned that last year. Like, let me know. Like, would you be interested to have a Thai beach AI retreat, like a week or something? And we try to find like a hotel or something where we are all at the same place. We bring our laptops, a place like a hotel with good internet connection, and then we just sit there and try out all kinds of AI stuff all day long. Right? I think it might be interesting. Thailand is very affordable. The flight there is not too expensive. Maybe that's interesting, right? I wanted to do this last year and then I didn't do it, but it sounds expensive. Maybe. I don't know, maybe. But Thailand is not that expensive. I mean, it's getting cheaper the longer you stay, of course. So if you stay for a month, you only have to pay like for the hotel and the food, but all of that is pretty cheap unless you're staying like in a very nice hotel. The flight is, if you book early, 700, 750. If you book late, it's more like 800 to 900. So there's some like, let's see this. The stomping dance. Oh man. There we go. The start is very nice though. Okay. Let's see the gangster images. Oh, look at that. Bad mood. Why is the shirt open so much? Oh, that's just perfect. Oh man. I could play like Bud Spencer in a reshoot maybe. Oh, it's very good. Well, how about this? Oh man. Okay. So suggest some stuff we could do. Oh, there I look more sad. I look like I lost my car or something. I don't remember where I parked my car. But this one is pretty cool here. Let me try that one. And then we need the prompt again. The prompt thing is really annoying me here, to be honest. Okay, let's see. Angry and shouting. There we go. What else do you want to try here with the AI stuff? Let me know. What else? GTA vibe? Oh yeah, GTA. It could be like, does it do that with the style? Let me see that real quick. GTA digital art style. Does it do that? Oops. Style. Let's generate this. 75%. The turbo for video is really fast here. That's like one of the best things about Runway, is how quick everything is. There we go, we're already done. Look at that. Boom, and we have a video. Oh yeah. Okay, it's just one long scream. Oh man. Oh man. Yeah, pretty good. But the background is moving. So I don't know what's happening there. Let's see the next one. Oh god. I think a lot of this you can probably use for like preparing ideas for a movie scene or something. But I guess with a lot of work, you can get some better stuff out of that. I don't know why the background isn't working, but to be honest, like also you could like render the background separately and then like impose it afterwards in After Effects or stuff like that to get like the AI to render the background in a nice quality. This is actually something you could try, is to like render multiple layers with AI and then remove the background or key them out or like rotoscope or something around objects and then like put multiple things together that worked in that scene and like that becoming something better. Yeah, screaming subscribe. There we go. There he's looking there. Where is my... Oh, no, he's not talking here. He is talking here, maybe. Where is my like? Okay. What else should we try? Try some acting. Morpho is holding the pills. Oh. Okay. Ball and beard man. Holding in his left hand a blue pill and in the right hand a red pill. Night scene. Cinematic light. There we go. Let's check this out. Let's see what we can get from that. Oh. It's not GTA style. I mean, I would say the composition and the drama is GTA style. Also, Gold Chain is like perfect, but graphically, of course, no, it's not GTA style. Let's see the next one. Oh, that's a good one. Ooh, I should use that as a profile image. That's actually a cool image. Very nice. It would be cool if it had like a scar or something. Maybe we can add that. All right, this is the kind of the don't say that again to me. Look, right, bro, you're messing with the wrong guy. And I love how the background here is like the dogs are in party mode here. It's like neon lights. Actually pretty cool images, to be honest. Wow. Also not too bad. Pretty cool. Why is there neon lights on the harbor? Or maybe like I mean, the GTA images are pretty funky. So, right. Don't let the customer office see the image. I use this. I think I use them next time I need a visa. I'm using this image as my passport image. All right. Okay. What did we try here? Oh, look at that. Pretty big pills. It's a hard pill to swallow, as they say. Oh man, I'm looking pretty good in that one. There we go. Oh wait, these are way too big pills. I think they go in the other end with that size. Oh god. I think, I don't know, you probably have to like replace them, like paint them out and then put some smaller pills in. But I have to say, like, the hands are pretty good, to be honest. Like, it's like 5 fingers. The perspective is pretty nice, even though the hands are very big, but they're also closer to the camera, so maybe that's it. But not too bad, right? It's not too bad. There we go. Maybe I should use that. That would be kind of like, this would be a cool like YouTube thumbnail, right? Like I have here like VO3 versus Kling 2.1. Not too bad. The only problem is I don't have access to VO3, but I could use videos from from X. Come on, my brain again. Is it, by the way, like, do you think when I make a video about an AI generation tool like VO3, and instead of creating my videos, because sometimes I don't have access, but other people have access, or I can't afford the access like with VO3 right now, unless there's like this cheap thing, like you said, with 20 bucks. If I use other videos from Twitter or X, is that the same thing? I mean, what's the difference if I write the prompt and push the go button or someone else does it for me? The only caveat with that is often you don't see the prompt that has been used. So there is the limitation of I can't often tell how good it sticks to the prompt, but at the same time, looking at the video, you can tell how good the video on its own is, right? And of course, you don't see like the backed versions of that, so you can't really say how often it fails, but I don't know. And I mean, most of the time, I mostly show the good results because the bad results are too distracting, unless there is like mostly bad results. And then I say, hey, it's like not good. It gets mostly bad results. You have to like make 10 tries to get one good video. Not good. But if you like make first roll and the first roll it gives you 2 videos and one of them is already good, that's okay, right? Or you find out some limitations, which is also like problematic. If you don't try it yourself, you can't like figure out what it's actually good at. The only way to figure that out is by comparing what people do most in the videos to show off some cool stuff. So there's some limitations, but it might be okay, right? The truth is a hard pill to swallow. Yeah, totally. There we go. It's pretty cool images, though. What else should we try as a video? What else could we do? Oh, wait. I want to try one more thing here. Wearing. Okay. Red headband in a okay, let's see if this is good and if we can animate this. A little bit of Confury. Even though I don't think he wears a karate outfit, he wears like just a red headband. Maybe I should change that in a And it's like also often it's cool when I see, for example, when I see other people and they, like, for example, they take a movie scene or a scene from a music video and then, okay, 1 second, and then they recreate it with AI. That's often also pretty cool. That would also be interesting. There we go. Look at that. Your sensei has arrived. There we go. He can break wood and wind. And he has the black belt at cutting cheese. There we go. It's good though. It's good. It looks actually, I would say it looks like me. Let's go for the next one. Oh. That would be cool if he like was pointing with one finger. That would be nice. But this kind of like gobbled up hand here is a little bit strange though. There we go. Oh, okay. The push away. The get out of my home, dude. All right. The hands are not so great here. This one is the best one. Okay, but let's have the Confury version. Oh, it's still rendering. No, there we go. Oh. Okay. It's a pretty big Confury. And it's raining also. Pretty nice though. It's not a karate stand though. What I'm doing this like breakdancing. What the hell is going on here? Man. Okay, this didn't work because we need some like we need to see the hands to get the headband. Standing in a karate fight stance. Maybe let's try this again. And then also without karate. I just need to have the arms so we can actually like. But this one is like he's kind of doing this, right? With the hands, the but not quite. Not really. It was pretty cool though. We can, in the meantime, we can animate this one. Let's try to animate this without a prompt and see what we get from that, because that also works. It's just a little bit more of a lottery, but let's see. And this one is almost finished. Oh. Why am I crouching in most of these? Why with the leather jacket I'm crouching? Very strange. This one might be good for the video though. And I love how the headband is going like to the side. That's pretty cool. Okay, let me put this in here. Bald bearded man doing some fighting moves. Or is that a good prompt? Let's try that out real quick. And then karate moves. Let's try that also. Ooh. I'm riding a invisible bicycle. You're folding. I'm riding the ghost chopper. All right. I mean the cinematic light and stuff is pretty cool though. What's the next one? Oh, look at that. I have no idea why I'm crouching. Is that like karate style that you crouch a little bit maybe? To be more flexible or something? Ooh. Oh, this one is good. That one is very good. Look at that. Can I zoom in? Oh yeah, I can. Look at that. That is very cool. Wow. Okay. I have to say, like, actually, the image generation from Runway is pretty cool. The quality it can be very nice, right? I'm not sure how, like, for example, Sora would do with that. Probably also very good and, like, way more adherent to the prompt. And no shirt. Oh, man. There we go. The belly rocker. Okay, but this one is, like, really cool. Okay, so we need to animate this one. 1 second. let's do the same prompt and then see what we get here. Okay, so we have this guy here. Does he do something? No, he just stands there. Ah, that's a pity. He doesn't move at all. He's just breathing a little bit. Oh, okay. He took a long time to concentrate. And then at the end, he finally decided, okay, a little bit movement today. And then it's time for the bar. Oh, I blink. Man, this is like lazy karate here. It's the mind bender. The air bender. Certainly. Yeah, air bender. There you go. The confidence at the end. Oh, man. Yeah, I think you need some more description here of what it's doing. Okay. All right, that didn't work. Let's see what this is Confury is doing here. Please do something more. Oh. Oh, 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 okay. Is some gorilla moves here. And the headband is a little bit... I think the headband needs a little bit washing. It's very stiff. The headband has seen better days. But the gorilla movement is pretty cool, though. There we go. Not very intimidating. There we go. All right. It's more the cuddly kind of karate. Let's see what he's doing. Oh. Oh. I mean, that's probably how I would move with no training. That's probably how it looks when I do the fighting moves. There we go. Try transition between two completely different styles. Different styles? The style thing is a problem, though. Oh, there we have one more. And then I think, yeah, we also animated this one. Does he do something? Okay. Interesting. That's the kind of like from Mr. Miyagi, the car washing move. I would say. The video is pretty blurry, though. I don't know why the video is so blurry here. It's a little bit strange. Maybe because everything is moving. So let's skip this one because I want to see these. I only made this once. Oh, let's make another one. Ooh, oh, the smoke is moving. Oh, oh, oh. Hello. Okay. So that's how I look with like no big belly. Interesting. Olivio six-pack guy. Not too bad. The head looks a bit too big, though. If I have that kind of like slim body. All right. Yeah, but you're right. We can try like... Ah, the turbo mode. Does the normal mode have image reference? Oh, it has. Okay, then we try that too. Let's try this twice. And then we try to go between scenes. Why do I not wear shirts? Strange. Okay, so now we have the pro version trying to do it twice. Give me an idea of what else we could do as a second scene. Like a scene transition. Let's start out with this guy here. So I leave that prompt the same from the outfit. And then, like, what is the next scene with that? Like, what is the scene transition? Is he walking onto the scene? Or is he, like, maybe arriving on a motorcycle or something like that? Shirts are for the weak. Yeah, totally. Absolutely. No shirt, no fight. You have to, like... Oh, no, the other way around. Yeah. There we go. For the heart, guys. So maybe arriving at a motorcycle might be good. Is motorcycle 2 words or 1 word? Oh, it's 1 word, okay. There we go. Oh yeah, the muscles. Yeah, right. We have to intimidate the enemies. Okay, so you can see like this is of course not as fast as the turbo version for the videos. On a shirts only convention. All right. Show him who's boss. Oh no, we need the night scene though. Wow. Pretty cool though. Very nice. Whoa, look at that. I think I could be an actor, right? Feel that looks pretty good. All right. Cinematic light. Let's try that. I could probably, I could use the other image as a reference. Let's remove this here. And then how do I get the other one in there now? And also finding it. I was this one, okay. There we go. Let's try this as a reference here and see how well that works. Let's go down here again. This stuff here is still rendering, so that takes considerably longer. Especially we are still in the relax mode. Oh my god. Bro had a little bit too much of the burger buffet. The all you can eat. All you can meat. Alright, that's not ideal. Wow. Look at that. But a little bit a little bit stocky here. Alright. Looking at using an old towel as my... Oh, there we go. Look at that. Okay. Wow. All right. Oh. This looks like from one of these Bollywood movies, right? He's almost like ready to go for the Bollywood bad guy dance moves. That would be, maybe that would be a cool scene. Can I rearrange those? Is that possible here? Oh yeah, I can. Okay, bald bearded man, red headband, arriving. Oh, that's the wrong one. Can I have multiple images here? Oh, you have to do that separately. Oh. I thought it's like rendering multiple scenes for you or like cutting them together. The turbo version has transition or not? No, right? Can I add multiple images? No, it's the same thing. Okay, then let me copy this over to here. Oh, this is the turbo version and then also Gen 4 version. Let us look at what this has generated as videos though. It's still rendering, come on. Oh no, it's done. Okay, so let's see if these, which have been done with Gen 4, as you can see here, not Gen 4 Turbo, if they have better movement and less blur. Okay. Oh, look at that. It's just as blurry. He's moving around like a crazy chicken. The hell is going on? This is kind of like the Bollywood thing. What the hell is going on here? Okay, so way more movement, but blurry as hell. Maybe this is better. Ooh. Okay. No. He snagged something from the side. Chick! There we go. Yeah, that didn't work at all. Okay, so not improved. The movement is, there's more movement, but it's not really better. I think maybe if you have a better prompt that has more detail for the movement, you might get a better result, right? Turn away and drive in the opposite direction. Oh, we can try that too, yeah. This one should be finished. There we go. Oh, he's not riding at all. But the others are. Okay, that didn't work. And this one is still like doing stuff. I suppose if we do this, whoops, sorry. If we do that, we have to put it in him into traffic. Riding a motorcycle through traffic fast. I would really like to know, like, how are we in the age of AI and spell checking and everything? And like, how is it not automatically corrected while you're typing? Why is the word not replaced? The browser knows what the word spelling is. It underlines it in red, not here, but usually. Like, why not directly just change it? And then if I don't like it, I can change it back. But like, have an auto mode, right? Okay, this is also taking it's taking its good time here. There we go, finished. Oh, okay. Oh, this one is a good scene. It's not at night, but I mean, it's better than nothing. Okay, so let's check this. And I guess this would also work pretty well with the turbo model. So let's give this a shot again. And then go here. Is the other one finished? Oh yeah, we are still, oh yeah, there we go, go. Okay, this is with Gen 4 now. Okay, I mean, because I have my foot down, probably it doesn't really understand with it riding. On the other hand, like, I think it should figure that out. That if I say I'm arriving, that it drives into the scene and then arrives at that position. And it's not starting from that position, because that's like the opposite of arriving. So, like, the smartness of it is not great. Probably Sora would be way better with that. Which I have cancelled again, by the way. Oh, that is good. Runway really needs a lot of visual cues to make something happen. If it's not there, I'm not happy that like everybody's overtaking me like I'm on my grandpa stroller here. But other than that, it's like actually there, right? Other than, I mean, he's also talking again, which is a little bit annoying, but it's a good start, I would say. It's a pretty good start. What is the best AI chat box for that better than ChatGPT for free? I mean, ChatGPT is mostly for free. Gemini is also mostly for free. You can do a lot with that. Even Canvas with like vibe coding and stuff like that. By the way, let me switch over here real quick. This is not a paid message. I'm just like telling you, because as you know, I'm like a big fan of Humble Bundle. And they do have, let me find this real quick for you. There we go. And I have no idea if it's good or not. Like, if it's bad, don't blame me. I'm just telling you it's there. They have these two packs here that you might be interested in. This one is machine learning, AI, and bots. O'Reilly. I mean, O'Reilly is one of the best publishers for coding books. It might be for people who already know what they're doing, right? So this might not be beginner level, but O'Reilly is like one of the best known coding book publishers. Like there's prompt engineering for generative AI, future-proof inputs for reliable AI outputs. That might be good. I don't know. It sounds beginner-friendly. Generative AI with AWS, which is the Amazon online thing. Machine learning interviews. The hell is that? Low code AI. I have no idea what that means. So they have some pretty cool stuff here. Generative deep learning. There might be some stuff here that is useful, but the other thing I want to show you is this one. The complete vibe coding automation and profit super bundle. Like the profit part is a little bit cringy, but it has all of that. And I don't know if any of that is good. It might be shit because like 42 is a little bit lot. Let's see how much this is. This is 18, so that's a little bit more reasonable. 18 books, by the way, actual like full books for 22 euros. Very, very good price. Like probably one of these books costs more. We can actually check that out here. Buy on Amazon. Let's see. Yeah, one of these books is already 60 bucks and you get 18 of them for 22. And this is completely legit, by the way. And these are like, I would say, online courses, I think. And they have a lot of like stuff in here with vibe coding, 30-hour web development, vibe coding super bundle, whatever. So in this case, it's Mammoth. And I don't know how good they are. I think they are not like super good, but good enough, maybe? You know what I mean? So, I mean, especially for the price, like 22 bucks for 42 of these like video lectures. Some of them apparently pretty long ones. So there's a Copilot bundle. Check it out. There's a 7-hour Auto GPT Automate Your Compute bundle. I mean, that's a lot. It might be shit. I don't know. But I mean, for 22 bucks, not sure if you can go wrong. Yeah. And if you know what you're doing, maybe get this one because O'Reilly is like for sure very good. Because they are like, they have a long, long history of making coding books. So yeah. All right. Just saying that might be something. Yeah. And if you're into gaming, check out Humble Bundle or into ebooks like novels and stuff. I bought so many, like I have like at least 50 Warhammer books. And like another 50 like sci-fi audiobooks from all kinds of backgrounds. And I think like 20 Warhammer audiobooks. So you get so much stuff, and it's always like the price of one book, basically, right? Anyways, this one is actually pretty cool. But why is everybody overtaking me? And then the what the hell? I want to be the fastest here, not the slowest. Traffic fast, overtaking all the cars. I want to be the big honcho and not the slow bro. Oh, man. The next step after using AI to code is probably codeless AI programs, just a prompt. I think in the future, like a lot of software will be just AI simulating the software instead of actually using the software. Pretty sure about that. The reason for that is, like one thing I have to think about right now is, think about, for example, text. You have like all these websites where you can find the solution to a problem, but it's never what you look for. So now you have the text AI and it writes the text, especially like specifically for the problem you have, giving you the specific answer for that. Now imagine you have a software where you want to achieve some task, and rather than figuring out how to do that in one software, the AI just builds a software for you, or like sticks something together from code libraries that are also AI generated, or using AI like software that is created by other users to achieve that task. But you don't have to look for the software, you don't have to install anything. You just say to the AI, I want to do this and that, and then the AI does it for you. And it shows you the fitting interface just for that task, right? And this is like, it kind of like reminds me like from the like, for example, you watch sci-fi movies and then you have a screen, and the screen has a big button that says abort or load or something like that, shoot, fire, start, something like that, launch, you know? And we are always like thinking, hey, it's so goofy. Why would he have a screen that only has a button that says launch? That makes no sense, right? But if you have an AI that changes the UI depending on what you want to do in that moment, that makes a lot of sense. Because why would I need all of the other buttons? Why would I not want to have like just the things that I want at that specific moment for me, arranged in the way that I want to use it right now. And the rest I don't need. The rest I don't care for. I don't need a full software suite. I just need that one function at that moment, right? And I think that's going to be the future for a lot of things, because it's just like, it makes a lot more sense, right? It's maybe less repeatable in the sense of, I know, for example, the interface of how Lightroom works. So every time I go to Lightroom, it looks the same. And so I can find my way easy around it. But this might be overturned by the convenience of having the interface only showing the functions you need and working exactly as you expected. So you don't even have to learn the interface. And if you need a new function that the software might not be able to do, it still can do it because it's creating it for that specific task, right? So I think that might be a solution, right? Okay, anyways, let us check the results here and also the chat. Let's look at this real quick here. Oh, there we go. And now I'm the big fast guy. There we go. Male fantasy achieved. Oh, and he's even weaving into the traffic. There we go. Feeling big and strong. The alpha male video achieved. Okay. There we go. Time to upload this to Tinder and pretend I have a chopper and can ride it. Right. There we go. I mean, the AI did understand what I wanted to do. Okay, what does the chat say? Imagine the toe future software will sometimes do what it is supposed to, and other times it will do completely other stuff. Absolutely, yeah, that might be a big problem too. Especially like one of the biggest problems with AI is that you can always, you might always, I think there's like an endless battle between people like prompt hacking the AI to do stuff it's not supposed to do, and people trying to make the AI prompt hacking secure. Which the big problem with that is, if you want to make the AI prompt hacking secure, you have to show the AI what not to react to, and by that you give it examples of the things it shouldn't do. So it also learns the stuff it shouldn't do at the same time, at least from what I understand, and from the article I've read recently. And yeah, so there might always be that kind of thing. But on the other hand, like software also, you can crack software and then it does stuff you want it to do. So we have to like just have the security for that. Feels like they're taking the interface away. Might be, yes. I use AI to program. It's getting better and better, but with free stuff, it works at the moment with code snipping at the most. Yeah, like free stuff is just not smart enough. I think like if you want to like actually code with AI, just pay for the tools, or like use the free tools like Gemini or ChatGPT, like the free allotment you get, which is still pretty good, and then you can do some good stuff with that, right? Because these models are way bigger and like way smarter. Like an antivirus made by an AI that sometimes will block viruses and sometimes it will erase your hard drive. Maybe stuff like that, right? It's like with the LoRa's fine-tuning is also the solution for programming. I'm not 100% sure I know what you mean by that. Do you mean like you show the AI the process and then it builds the software for that process? Because that is what we have seen in the Google demo, right? Where you make a sketch. I haven't actually tried that. Why didn't I try that? You make a sketch and then the software tries to create that software that works like the sketch you have created. Maybe that's not a function yet, though. I'm not sure if that's out yet. Hugging chat, I have not. I have to admit, I didn't even know they have hugging chat. I don't know. I haven't tried that for sure. Okay. What should we do? Let me know. Like, give me some ideas what we like. Post in the chat what we should try with either Runway or with Krea. Scenes you want to try, or like things you want to play around with, different styles maybe. I'm not sure if like we can try if Gen 4, the image generation, can create other styles. I think it can create anime. We can create some anime scenes that might be pretty cool and then use that as a reference. Maybe some like lo-fi scene with this like woman sitting at the table learning and then sitting in the garden doing something, or like walking her dog or something like that. That might be interesting. Or something else. Like, let me know what you want to know. Lip sync, but then we have to record some audio though with lip sync. Act 1. What is like we have to like where I to be honest, I don't even know where Act 1 is at the moment. How do I find that? Dashboard, assets. We can go to the dashboard. Is Act 1 is Runway, or where is that? I do not remember at the moment. I have to be honest. Is that Krea? No, right? Workspace settings, invite members, upgrade your plan. Sessions. How do I access Act 1? Motion blur. Interesting, motion blur. How to get back to my session? This my session? Is this my sesh? Okay. We can try the same guy here. Let's try this. Bald man with beard. Racing through traffic. Overtaking all the cars. Motion blur in the background. Okay, let's have a look at that, if that works. Let's try turbo here for that to get a quicker result. The next one is they have a few models to play around with, LLMs, totally for free. Newest model is Qwen 3. But are they good? Are they good for coding these download models? Do they actually work, or are they not smart enough? One thing I haven't tried in a long time is if AI has gotten better at coloring black and white photos. We can try that in we can try that with Google and with ChatGPT, and it's pretty good though. Maybe I created a black and white image here real quick. 1 second. Oh, I completely forgot about that thing. Where is that though? Man, I just had it here. How do we get it back? Oh, there it is. Look at that. So this is the original scene, and this is the new scene. It's actually pretty good. I mean, he did. The person is changing, and the position is changing of the person, and the background is like rather low detail. But I mean, overall, it's rather similar. It's rather creating a new image rather than replacing the old image with a new background, which is a little bit limiting. But a lot of it is very like similar. Like, for example, if you look here with the gray hoodie inside, and then here you have this like sticking out like shadow stick. you get kind of like the same thing here. The only thing is like it's every iteration it's degrading in quality, and this is one thing I don't like about it, that the quality just gets way worse every like version you do, which especially is bad if you, because this is like kind of like in painting without the masking, and then you want to like in paint multiple things and you can't. And like two problems basically. The one thing you can't do it because the quality is degrading, and the other reason you can't do it is because like the scene is changing. So even if you like could outpaint it afterwards, it's probably like because it's changing and degrading, you can't mask it and then put it into the old image, and that's a bit of a problem, right? However, let me open up Photoshop here real quick. Meanwhile, tests have shown that AI blackmails. What? 1 second. AI blackmails. Let's go like this. What? Blackmails its users when it realizes they should be deleted. Yeah, right, totally. Yeah. AI can be rather aggressive about stuff. Totally true. Oh, I didn't download the image. Monsieur, you have to download first, please. Okay, so here we go. Let's do this. Let's put it here. Open. Open Sesame. There I can go like bigger. Oh, it has removed background. Oh, I should also make videos about like Photoshop. Let's click on remove background. What? Default to cloud. I'll continue on device. Yeah, let's try to continue on device. I just oh, edit background. And how do I do that? Where is this? Oh, generate background. Oh, okay. Modern city in the background. Let's check this out. He took a little bit away from the pants. I mean, okay, I get it. Ooh. Image is kind of like the quality is kind of low. Oh. Okay, the way he's standing here is not so good. The ambient light is not changing on him, which on the one hand I do understand. On the other hand, a little bit of a problem here. But I mean, on the other hand, the background does actually fit like mostly the color of the guy in the foreground. So it's kind of adapting to that. I feel like here the guy has a little bit too much blue light compared to the rest of the image. And here it's also like kind of a different situation with the colors. The first one is good. The only thing I don't like is like the background quality is not really good. Low detail, like funky elements here from the architecture. It's a good start, but it's not enough. You know? But I mean, it's not too bad, right? And then maybe, let me try this. If we take it like that and I say skyscraper, can I improve the quality like that? It's the thing is it doesn't have any slider to show, like to use the information that's already there. It just creates a completely new oh, that's bad. It creates a completely new skyscraper in the background. Like this is one of the biggest downsides, that there is no way, as far as I know, to adjust how much it's using it. More properties. Select document layer and show the panel. Select more properties? No, right? Mask. Generative layer. I don't think there's any slider on like actually using it. I'm a little bit surprised by the bad quality because usually like the AI is not too bad from Photoshop. And actually, by the way, one thing you can also see here is it actually created a mask. It did not just remove the guy. So I can, you see, I can like slide this here. Oh, am I wrong? No, I'm not wrong. Because I can see the full image here in the preview. What the devil? I'm not a Photoshop user. Let's delete that. Ah, there we go. So the original image is still there. I just don't know how to turn it off. But the original is like non-destructive, which is also pretty good. That is one of like the biggest downsides of all of these pages is that they are always destructive. They never like have this kind of level here where it's non-destructive and then you can just go back. It's always just like completely new and you have to like restart from zero if there is something wrong, right? Okay, anyways. Let's go back here. What is the thing we wanted to do? Oh yeah, the motion blur. Oh, I'm getting overtaken by the cars again. Doesn't really do motion blur though. Well, I guess like in a situation like this, I would probably add the motion blur with the software in post. Like, yeah, most video softwares have like this kind of motion blur thing. Of course, I understand that it probably is better if you do it right away in the AI to have that motion blur in there rather than simulate it afterwards. But this, like from the prompt, you can see this is without the prompt. It didn't really work. And this is like with the prompt, with the motion blur, it also didn't work. So a little bit disappointing. Or is this the same thing here? No, it doesn't say motion blur. Okay. What else do we want to try? Oh, the anime thing. 1 second. Let me try this here real quick. A young, cute woman sitting on a table learning. Oh no. Reading a book. Lo-fi anime style sunset. Okay, let's generate this as an image first. What else do we want to try? The lip sync. We can do the lip sync. We just probably need some audio. Do we have a, where's an image where I'm big in the image? Maybe one of the, or we could use one of those. This one. I want to have one where my face is big. And I think like at least on Runway, the face needs to be from the front for the lip sync to work. This one maybe. We could use that one, but the face is small and there's a lot of beard and dark light. There, sadly, I'm smoking a cigarette, so that doesn't work either. We could use maybe one of those. I mean, there I'm the biggest in the image. We could use that for trying out lip sync. And do I have for lip sync, do I have to have a video input? I think I do, right? So we need to make a video first and then we lip sync it afterwards, right? Let's do it like that. Talking. Let's do it like this. Just like talking. Okay. Did I render something here? The anime style, right? Oh, there we go. Oh. That is very different than I expected it to be. What the hell is this? Okay, well, let's use this prompt again. Anime style image off. A young woman sitting on a table. Sleeping cat on the table. There we go. Check your DM. Yeah, I will check the DM after the live stream, or at least like tomorrow, because it's already pretty late here. There we go. Now I'm talking, I guess. Oh, hey, wow, that turned out way better. Okay. And now the people are also like, what was that? Was there like a, the birds are like crashing to the ground? Okay. Okay, so we need some audio for that. Do I have Audible? I do not have Audible. I have an audio recorder here. Wait. Let me go to the big screen real quick. Audio recorder app. Oh, can I use my mic now? Because I'm using the mic on OBS. It's doing an update. There we go. Okay, cool. It's using my Rode microphone. Okay, cool. Yes. Hello, hello. 1, 2, 3. Hello, hello. Okay. That seems to work. Hello, hello. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that works. Okay, cool. Delete. Okay. What could I say? What could I say? Okay. Let's drink some water. Let's make me small. Hey guys, I have been waiting for that cool, hot new AI stuff all morning at the docks. Where is my stuff? Give it to me now. Okay. Listen it. Hey guys, I have been waiting for that. Good enough. Okay. Can we make this louder? Is there some... How can I export this? Is there no save function in this software? What the hell is this? I can rename... Oh, it's already in a folder. It's M4A. What the hell is this? Oh, MP3. AAC standard? Okay, anyways. Resync, use frame, reference, input video, restyle. Oh, actions. How do I lip sync this? Let me open up Runway again. Getting started. Dashboard. They do have one of the worst like website designs ever. So where do I lip sync this? Oh god, these images are really bad. It was way better with anime in the past. I have like created images from there. Restyle, use frame. Where's the lip sync function? Oh, there we go. Crazy. Oh, there's Act 1. Ah, I hate their design so much. Like, how why is like most of the functionality hidden in there, and then you have like a fat big black space here with nothing in it, where you can actually like at least put some symbols so I can mouse over them. No, it's hidden here. Like, what the hell is this? How am I supposed to find that? Ah, come on, guys. Just put some buttons here. There's way enough space here. Hang tight, we're detecting a face. Oh, okay. Oh, God. I hope it can detect my face. Oh, there we go. Okay, cool. Upload audio file. I can hopefully drop that in here and then it knows the format. It does not know the format. Or I cannot drop it in here. Where's that file? It's here. Okay, let me copy that over. Drag and drop. So now it wants me to drag and drop. Oh, it doesn't know it. Okay, let's just do it like this.
Hey guys, I have been waiting for
okay.
the cool, hot new AI stuff all morning at the docks.
All right, let's check this here. There we go. Works best on photorealistic human. Yeah, okay, got it. Got it. Go away. Lip sync. All right. So let's see what this can do. And this one is like super strange, but let me ask ChatGPT to improve this a little bit here. Enhance this prompt. I already kind of think like illustration is a bad idea here. For the we can also make it here, but I thought like Runway would be able to do it. Let me go here. Although I didn't even have to do that because this is like the same thing, right? Okay, 1 second. Let me put this in here. Let's render this again. On a table. Yeah, what does it mean on a table? ConfUI, AI tutorial, Google is just Hugging Chat. Is there a lot of tools to fiddle around with? Totally free. Oh, I have to check out Hugging Chat. So this is still rendering. The lip sync is still rendering. What is the time, by the way? Oh, we are closing in on like 2 hours, so still is pretty good. But let's like try these things here. I thought the anime stuff is gonna be like super easy, but I think like the Gen 4 image generation is better for realistic images. But I was like with the character reference, I was actually positively surprised, especially based on my photo, that it got some really good results from that. Why is the generation so slow right now? Come on. And these are like haunting. The haunting nightmare quality. The cat has a human arm. The cat has a human arm and a cat leg as a tail. Wow. Okay. The head is way too big. So yeah, AI like anime is probably maybe not what it's good at. But we will see with the enhanced prompt. Oh, there we go. Well, it's a lot of hit and miss here. Like this one I would say is kind of okay, even though the face is way brighter and has no features. And like this one looks like one of these click and like, what is it? Click and point, kind of like cheesy video games. And I don't know what this kind of nightmarish, like anatomic cat here is a catfish bunny mix. What? I don't know what's going on here. So yeah. The anime from hell. She has 3 knees. There we go. Yeah, okay. So as far as this test is going, anime version failed. Okay, let's see the lip sync though. Let's check out the lip sync.
Hey.
Oh my god.
Hey guys, I have been waiting for that cool, hot new AI stuff.
Oh, you don't hear it. 1 second, sorry. Let me mute my microphone. Hey guys, I have been waiting for that cool, hot new AI stuff all morning at the docks. Where is my stuff? Give it to me now. Hey guys. Also not that great. It might be because the original image is already like talking, even though I thought it might be giving a way better result. The other thing it might be is that I have a beard. So probably better if you don't have a beard, although today beards are pretty fashionable again, so a lot of people have a beard. So the syncing is not great. Let me play it again for you. 1 second. Hey guys, I have been waiting for that cool, hot new AI stuff all morning at the docks. Where is my stuff? Give it to me now. Oh, sorry. It's not even synced a lot of the time. Like the face is very wobbly and then it doesn't sync to what I'm actually saying. So, I don't know. Yeah, right. I mean, you're supposed to pay for that. I think you can get way better results, and this was just like one attempt of doing it. So if you do it a lot more times, you probably get something better out of that. And then also maybe with better material, even though I'm face on, you might see some improvements from there. But yeah. This one is pretty cool though. This is not syncing, but the face movement looks pretty good and the beard is pretty consistent. So I'm always surprised with AI when it can do stuff on its own, but then it can't do stuff when you need it. So yeah, but the background, like with the birds falling from the sky, is a little bit strange. Even though the rest is kind of good. So yeah. Runway is always on this kind of edge of having cool features, but then they are not really working, or they only work for specific things. So it's a little bit limited. And I think like probably Kling and VO3 for sure is going to be way better. And then Kling is also going to be way better. On the other hand, this is way cheaper. So yeah. But then again, like, what are you going to do with the cheap stuff? It doesn't work. And you can't use it. That's a little bit of a limitation there. But there is a lot of stuff where Runway is actually good. Like, for example, one thing where it's pretty good, but probably also other companies have caught up to that, is like you have a camera flying into a scene, like going forward into a room or into a landscape or stuff like that. It does that pretty good. And yeah, in that regard, you can get some pretty cool results, but that's very limited. Like a camera moving forward is like very not so like impressive anymore. And for all these other scenes, like you've seen all these kind of amazing VO3 results on Twitter and whatnot. They are leagues ahead. So, but maybe there is a new model coming out that's again being like really good, because they always, it's like a ping pong. Every couple of weeks, a model comes out that does it better than everybody else. Let me think. Was there anything else we wanted to try? Because otherwise, I might finish the stream. This, of course, like they always have, and this is like what I find a little bit annoying. Like they always, of course, have like demo videos here that look like super good, and then you try it yourself, and it's kind of like not that way. But yeah. Anyways, okay. Was there something else? I think we kind of like checked it out. If you want to check out these two book bundles here, I think like at least the O'Reilly one is a pretty good deal, where I think you get a lot of quality out of that. The other one is probably not so high quality, but still probably interesting. You might get out some of it. Because I have never watched one of these Mammoth Club courses, so I can't really tell you. how good the quality is. And then overall, let's just check out Humble Bundle, because they have like a lot of game bundles and book bundles. Like there's comic books here and whatnot, and sometimes audiobooks also. And then what is the other one? Software. They also have software, even though I think like the software bundles are usually like kind of shitty. But yeah, you can check that out if you want to. Yeah. So that's it. I guess I think we have tried out a lot. We are at the 2-hour mark. Whoop, let me go to the big one here. Yeah, and then let's see what we do next stream. I would be cool to, like, with this unlimited, the quality is not so great, but with this unlimited thing and the reference images we have to create like an actual like multi-scene thing. I have to really like look into how to build a scene, because it's always like my problem is what is going to happen in the different scenes, especially something that maybe works better with AI. So it's not going to be pretty crazy. Or we do something where it's taking the badness of AI into consideration, right? Maybe, for example, if you have an alien creature, the AI we don't know what the alien looks like. And so whatever it is kind of good, and that might be okay, right? Anyways, let me find the end track. I think this is the end track that we had last time. Okay. Thank you very much for being a part of my live stream. Sorry that it was so late today. Like I said, kind of problems came up. And yeah, see you soon. Thanks for watching. And leave a like, by the way. Bye.
Yo, that's the end of the show, but the party don't stop. We rode the AI wave straight up to the top. Time to power down, but I ain't sad. This stream was fire, y'all made it rad. From cyberpunk cats to floating heads, AI dreams jumping right out of the threads. You dropped that art and it blew my mind. So much style, it should be a crime. Thanks for the uploads, the vibes of love. You liches down here and the bots above. That's the stream, it's time to go. But we lit this place like a neon show. I saw your prompts, I saw your soul. You turn ones and zeros into heart and go. From Vienna beats to the Bangkok buzz, we painted the screen just because. Every click, every flash, every trippy scene, like Warhol, met a fever dream. So I tip my cap and give you all a bow. We made some magic right here, right now. Hit that sub if you're feeling the vibe. And next stream, we do another wow ride. That's the stream, it's time to go. But we lit this place like a neon show. I saw your props, I saw your soul. You turn ones and zeros into heart and go. So peace, much love, and AI pride. Thanks for coming on this digital ride. This is Olivio, shutting it down. See y'all next time, same stream, new crown. Yo.